This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Max Chill portable air conditioner. First, carefully unpack all components from the box, removing any protective packaging. Next, find a flat, stable surface near a window for placement. Then, connect the exhaust hose to the back of the unit and securely attach the other end to the window kit. Finally, ensure the window kit is properly installed in your window opening to vent warm air outside. Once your Max Chill is set up, plug the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. To begin, simply press the power button to turn the unit on. You can then use the mode button to cycle through cooling, fan, or dehumidify settings. Adjust your desired temperature with the up and down arrow buttons, typically ranging from 62 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal comfort. Proper maintenance ensures your Max Chill runs efficiently. It's important to clean the air filter every 2 weeks. Simply remove it and rinse under running water. Allow the filter to air dry completely before reinserting. Also, remember to regularly empty the water tank to prevent any overflow. When storing the unit, ensure it is upright and in a dry, cool place. If your Max Chill isn't working as expected, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, double-check that the power cord is securely plugged into a grounded outlet. Next, ensure the water tank isn't full and needs emptying. Also, verify that the exhaust hose is properly connected and free from any blockages. Finally, confirm the air filter is clean and correctly installed for optimal airflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.